Introduction. Run strong. Run safe.
Running is an excellent way to stay fit, but injuries can sideline progress. Discover 5 essential tips all runners can use to reduce injury risk and stay on track with their goals. These practical strategies help you build resilience, recover faster, and enhance overall performance. Whether you're a beginner or experienced runner, these tips are key to maintaining a safe, sustainable routine.
Warm up and cool down effectively.
Prepare your body before each run and support recovery afterward. Dynamic warm-ups, such as leg swings, high knees, or light jogging, increase blood flow and loosen muscles. After your run, spend a few minutes cooling down with gentle jogging or brisk walking, followed by stretching. This helps to reduce muscle soreness, improve flexibility, and decrease the likelihood of strains or sprains.
Gradually increase distance and intensity.
Avoid the urge to do too much too soon. Rapid increases in mileage or speed are a common cause of running injuries. Follow the 10% rule by increasing your weekly mileage by no more than 10%. This gradual approach allows your muscles, tendons, and bones to adapt, lowering stress on your body and reducing the risk of overuse injuries.
Invest in proper footwear.
The right shoes make a big difference in injury prevention. Select running shoes that fit well, offer the support your feet need, and are appropriate for your running style and terrain. Replace worn-out shoes regularly, typically every 300 to 500 miles. Worn shoes lose cushioning and stability, which can increase your risk of foot, knee, and hip problems.
Listen to your body's signals.
Pay attention to aches, pains, and fatigue. Minor discomfort can be an early warning of overuse or improper technique. Don't ignore persistent pain. Rest and seek advice if needed. Adjust your training based on how you feel and allow time for recovery. Prioritizing rest days and varying your activities help support long-term joint, muscle, and bone health.
Strengthen and cross-train.
A balanced body is more resilient to injury. Incorporate strength training, especially for your core, hips, and legs, to improve running form and stability. Cross-training activities like swimming, cycling, or yoga enhance overall fitness, reduce repetitive strain, and give your running muscles a break. This diverse approach supports optimal performance and reduces injury risk.
Conclusion. Build habits for lifelong running.
Injury prevention is the foundation for long-term running success. By making warm-ups, gradual training, good footwear, listening to your body, and regular strength work part of your routine, you can run stronger and more safely. Commit to these tips and enjoy the benefits of consistent, enjoyable running for years to come.